Dad did a great job repainting and rebuilding this mini bike, the OG mini bike. We're gonna be putting the finishing touches on this. It's gonna tie this thing together. It's gonna look fantastic. We got this diamond stitch seat to replace the old crusty one. Red stitching. It's gonna complement these red accents a lot. Check this out. Oh man, this is gonna look so good. I just gotta bolt this seat on and we should be in business. Yeah, this is definitely the move. Better than the blue for sure. Young Original sticker right here on the side cover. That exhaust is back on there now. I think probably most proud of this build because this one has come the longest way out of all of them, really. Put that headlight right there. That looks pretty good.
Yep. You've lost your mind though if you think you're riding this thing right now.
Well, it's being ridden.
You're not getting it dirty and scratching it up.
What? Adjust that real quick. Think that looks good like that? Right there?
Yeah, that looks good.
Or you want to angle it up, you think? Or no, you kind of want it hitting the road.
It's a little crooked like
Yeah.
there. That's good. And she's solid now too. It ain't jankety anymore. Greased everything.
It feels like a little tank.
Put rubber bushings and everything.
It's a little tank. Yeah, she looks good. Good job, Dad. My dad did that. Most of it.
Come on,
Most of it.
What didn't I do?
I mean, I did everything else.
What was everything else?
Everything else. Bought it. Paid for it. I just put that seat on. I did the first paint job that you had to redo.
I custom made everything. Full exhaust system.
I like it.